Every 7.5 seconds, someone turns 50. But being 50 today definitely is not what it used to be. This group, with its defiant attitude toward aging, has demanded dramatic advances in cosmetic surgery. And here in Tampa Bay, Dr. Andrew Coundouriotis is helping his patients look as young as they feel.
Over the past year, I've done a lot of research on plastic surgery, and I've been to different consultations. When I met Dr. Coundouriotis, what I loved was the fact that he is a facial plastic surgeon. He's a facial expert. It's your face. You can't hide it.
I've talked to a lot of patients and interviewed a lot of patients, and there are two consistent things that keep coming up. One is the fact that people feel a lot younger on the inside than they appear. Frequently at least 15 years difference, and so they want to do something about this incongruence. It's a matter really of well-being rather than vanity or anything superficial. The other thing is that people are working longer, and they're finding that they're competing against younger individuals coming into the workplace. When I interview a patient, the first thing I want to understand is really what they're noticing that they want corrected. And then I want to also understand what their overall situation is as far as their work, family, and in other words, how much downtime they're expecting. It's really important to address the patient's expectations. I spend a lot of time educating patients into what I can do and what I can't do, what the different procedures are good for and not good for, and so forth.
One of the things I liked about Dr. C were his credentials. I appreciated the fact that he was board certified and a facial plastic surgeon specializing in the face.
There are many factors that affect the facial appearance and give the appearance of aging. It's not just surface changes, that's one of the factors. Another factor, though, that we've recognized really about 5 years ago is the deflation of the face with age. There's also the descent of the tissues, the loss of the retaining ligaments in the facial structures. And so to rejuvenate a face in a comprehensive manner that looks natural, we have to treat all three of those areas. And as a facial plastic surgeon, I'm able to do all three of those things. One of the fundamental changes in the skin as it ages is the breakdown of collagen and the loss of elasticity in the skin. And I like to explain to my patients that, especially after a procedure, we want to be on a maintenance program of ongoing health for the skin, just like we do in other aspects of medicine.
We tell all of our patients, the earlier you take care of your skin, the better. But of course, there's no bad time to start.
One of the key aspects of the aged appearance is the loss of volume in the face. Sculptra works well to fill in large areas and to restore volume in, say, the entire cheek, the temples, and so forth. Other fillers work much better to improve individual lines and folds.
Well respected among his peers, Dr. Coundouriotis has a reputation as an innovator and leader in minimally invasive facial plastic surgery. He keeps up with the technology and science behind cosmetic surgery, but brings it into his practice only when it is proven to complement his tried and true procedures.
A new generation of technologies is trying to heat the skin in such a way that the surface is not damaged. Consequently, there's no downtime. Titan uses infrared light that is very bright, and it penetrates into the depths of the skin and is absorbed by the water in the skin.
Sometimes surgery is the right option. In the hands of a skilled facial plastic surgeon, patients receive the most correction with the least amount of trauma and the least amount of downtime.
I perform my surgeries in our on-site surgery center. This is an accredited facility that is very convenient for our patients.
We totally focus on patient care. What's convenient for the patient, what's comfortable for the patient, what is appropriate for the patient. That's what really matters.
I just love the staff here. They make me feel so comfortable and at home, and for me, they make me feel just like they're part of my family.
Dr. C and his staff are all very caring individuals. They make sure that your privacy is respected. They treat you like a friend.
I love the staff here. They're all so attentive.
A skilled plastic surgeon with impeccable credentials and a passion for excellence. These elements have helped to make Dr. Andrew Coundouriotis a huge success in the practice of facial plastic surgery.